Forming a higher time frame bias on NQ is the easiest thing you can do, so stop messing this up, right? There's three simple things I use, right? And the third is the most important, so pay attention. Step one is I'm looking for a higher time frame fair value gap, right? So we have a higher time frame fair value gap within this region over here. Price gives us an FOMC higher time frame fair value gap. Now, once I have that, I'm going to head down to the 15-minute time frame and we're going to understand how we can track a long trade, right? Step number two is I'm looking for the previous day high or previous day low to be swept. So in this case, we have a previous day low like this that was swept just over here, right? So now we have the previous day low that's been swept over here, right? And step number three is the most important, is I'm looking for a change of market structure, or I'm looking for a change of state of delivery. So now from here, we had a market structure shift down here within this region, and you really could have entered anywhere below the daily opening price over here. So we had some consolidation over here. So on the lower time frames, you could have caught an entry over here, stop loss just below the daily Judah swing or the daily low. And really you want to be targeting, like I said over here, you want to be targeting the fair value gap, or at least the middle of the fair value gap. So you can take a Fibonacci tool, you can project it from the swing low to the swing high, and you can really catch at least the midpoint of this fair value gap. So on the 15-minute time frame, you want to be targeting the bottom of the fair value gap, or really the midpoint of the fair value gap. So you're simply trading from a lower time frame fair value gap to higher time frame fair value gap. I want traders to understand that fair value gaps are simply magnets that price will often gravitate towards in the next coming days or weeks. So have them on your chart and always understand price will gravitate towards these large areas of imbalances.